Hello everyone, I Pokhrajgiri welcome you all to the third edition of the most awaited fast track revision series by Competition Community. And in this year, what we have done new is we have a separate FTR series for English medium students. And in this series for English medium students, I'll be dealing with Chhattisgarh General Studies. And in this video, that is, for the first video, we'll look at some of the very important questions from the topic General Introduction of Chhattisgarh. So without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the questions. So we have our first question. The first question is, what percentage of Madhya Pradesh was taken to form Chhattisgarh? Let us look at the options. The first option is 30.47%, while the second option is 34.07%, the third option is 33.47%, and the fourth option is none of these. So I'll tell you, when on 1st November 2000 Chhattisgarh came into existence, 30.47% of Madhya Pradesh was taken to form Chhattisgarh. So what was the percentage area of Madhya Pradesh taken to form Chhattisgarh? It was 30.47% of Madhya Pradesh. Let me tell you, in this entire FTR series, whenever we start a video, we'll always start with some of the easy questions. And as the questions move forward, we'll gradually go into the detailed and more analytical questions. So let's come to the second question. Now, the second question is, what is the number of female judges in the Chhattisgarh High Court? What are the options? The options are 5, 4, 3, and none of the above. Now let me tell you a couple of things about Chhattisgarh High Court. Chhattisgarh High Court is the 19th High Court of India. And I'll tell you, as I talk, that is, in the month of December 2020, we have 14 seated judges. And out of these 14 seated judges, 2 are female judges. And what are the names? First is Justice Vimla Singh Kapoor, while the second one is Justice Rajni Dubey. Let me also tell you, the first Chief Justice of our Chhattisgarh High Court was Justice W.A. Shashank. And the current and the 13th regular Chief Justice is Justice P.R. Ramchandra Menon. And Justice Menon's predecessor was Justice Ajay Kumar Tripathi. So I told you, first was Justice W.A. Shashank. I told you 12th Justice Ajay Kumar Tripathi. And I told you the current and the 13th regular Chief Justice, that is Justice P.R. Ramchandra Menon. So these are certain facts you have to actually remember when you study about the High Court of Chhattisgarh. Let's come back to the question. The question was the number of female judges. So I told you the number of female judges right now in Chhattisgarh High Court is 2. So what will be the answer? The answer will be D. We have 2 seated female judges in Chhattisgarh High Court right now. Now let's come to the third question. Now in the third question, we have 2 columns. In the first column, we have districts, and in the second column, we have the year of their formation. And what we have to do? We have to match the columns. Now let's understand what exactly is given in the question. So we have 4 districts, that is Surajpur, then we have Jashpur, then we have Bastar, and then we have Rajnandgaon. Now let's look at the years of their formation. We have 1973, 1948, 2012 and 1998, and what we have to do is we have to match the columns. So what we should do is we should look at these years actually, and let us try and understand which all districts were actually formed in these years. So let us actually analyze this with the help of a map. So here what we have is the map of Chhattisgarh. So first year was year 1948. In 1948, 3 districts were made in Chhattisgarh. The first one was Sarguja. Second was Raigad. And third was Bastar. So when I talk about Bastar district, so this was the entire area of the Bastar district. If I talk about the Sarguja district, so this actually was our Sarguja district, and the remaining portion that I am shading was your Raigad district. So 3 districts were made in the year 1948, and they were Sarguja, Raigad and Bastar. Now the second year that we have was year 1973. So in the year 1973, this Rajnathgaon district was actually created or formed from the Durg district. So in the year 1973, which district was created? It was Rajnathgaon district. So we have seen for the year 1948 Sarguja, Raigad, Bastar. For year 1973 we have seen Rajnathgaon. Next, so now let's come back to the question. So for the year 1948 we saw Sarguja, Raigad and Bastar. From what we can see in the options, we have Bastar. So Bastar matches 1948. Second, we saw Rajnathgaon was formed in the year 1973. That means Rajnathgaon matches 1973. So we have seen 2 districts, that Bastar was created in year 1948 and Rajnathgaon was created in the year 1973. Now let's look at 1998 and 2012. Now first of all, if we look at the year 1998. In the year 1998, this Korea district was created from the Sarguja division. Also this Jashpur district was created once again in the year 1998. When we talk about the entire Bilaspur division, then Korba and Janjgir Champa were also created in the year 1998. So we saw Korea, we saw Jashpur, we saw Korba and we saw Janjgir Champa. Coming into the Durg division, the Kabir Dham district was actually created in the year 1998. However, at that point of time, it was known as the Kabardha district. And it was only in the year 2003 that it was renamed as Kabir Dham district. So we saw Korea, Jashpur, Korba, Janjgir Champa, Kabir Dham. In the Raipur division, there were 2 districts. First was Dhamtari and second was your Mahasamund. And finally, if we come into the Bastar division, we saw the creation of Kanker and Dantewada districts in the year 1998. That means We saw Korea, Jashpur, Korba, Janjgir, Champa, Mahasamund, Dhamtari, Kanker, Dantewada and Kabirdham districts were formed in the year 1998. That means we saw the creation of 9 districts or the formation of 9 districts in Chhattisgarh in the year 1998. Now let's come back to the question. So now coming back to the question, we can see Jashpur district, and we know Jashpur was created in the year 1998, or I should say Jashpur district was rather formed in the year 1998. So now Surajpur is left. We all know it will be 2012 only. So we have our options right now. Option number 3 is matching A. That means we have a pair A3. Option number B, that is Jashpur, is matching 4. Then we have B4. Option number C, Bastar, is matching 2. We have C2, and but obviously it will be D1. Now let's look at the options. A3, B4, C2 and D1. We have this in option number B. So option number B would be the correct answer. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 says, longest and shortest state boundary with Chhattisgarh are formed by dash and dash respectively. First of all, let me tell you, it will be is not R here. Now, if we talk about the neighbors of Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh is surrounded by 7 neighboring states. How many neighboring states? 7 neighboring states. Let us look at them with the help of a map. The Wadrafnagar and the Ramanujganj tehsils, they make the border with Uttar Pradesh. Let's come to this Jashpur district, and this actually is border between Odisha and Jharkhand. Coming to the Sukma district, it touches Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Telangana. Now, this Bijapur district also touches Maharashtra along with Telangana. And if I talk about this Rajnathgaon district, it touches Maharashtra as well as Madhya Pradesh. So how many neighbors we have? The first one is Uttar Pradesh. Moving clockwise, we have the next one Jharkhand. Moving clockwise, we have Odisha. Then we have Andhra Pradesh, then Telangana, then Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. That means we have 7 neighboring states of Chhattisgarh. How many neighboring states? 7 neighboring states of Chhattisgarh. Now, if I talk about the total interstate boundary of Chhattisgarh, the length is 2203 kilometers. How many kilometers? 2203 kilometers. Out of this 2203 kilometers, 830 kilometers is contributed by Odisha. It is contributed by Odisha. So, with Odisha, I can write 830 kilometers. Now, Madhya Pradesh has the second longest boundary with 410 kilometers. In the third rank is Maharashtra with 379 kilometers. The fourth rank is taken by Jharkhand with 270 kilometers, while the fifth rank is taken by Telangana with 173 kilometers. Then we have UP with 103 kilometers, and finally we have Andhra Pradesh with 38 kilometers. So we saw Odisha with 830 kilometers as the longest boundary that Chhattisgarh shares with any of the neighboring states. Then we saw Madhya Pradesh with 410 kilometers in the second rank. We saw Maharashtra with 379 kilometers in the third rank. Then we saw Jharkhand with 270 kilometers in the fourth rank. We saw Telangana with fifth rank with 173 kilometers, and then we saw Uttar Pradesh with 103 kilometers with the 6th rank, and finally we saw Andhra Pradesh with 38 kilometers as the state which forms the shortest boundary with Chhattisgarh. So let's come back to the question. The question was asking first the longest and second the shortest. So we know now the longest is made by Odisha. So we have Odisha. And the shortest is made by Andhra Pradesh. So correct answer would be option number C. That means the longest and the shortest state boundaries with Chhattisgarh is formed by Odisha and Andhra Pradesh respectively. Let me tell you one more thing. Please note the sequence. In the question, longest has been asked first and the shortest has been asked second. If it is flipped, that means if we have shortest first and the longest in the second position, then the correct sequence would be Andhra Pradesh and then Odisha. Clear? So please clearly read the question and try and understand the question first before directly jumping onto the answers. Now we have a next question. Easternmost extension of Chhattisgarh, that is 84 degree 24 minutes eastern longitude, touches which neighboring state of Chhattisgarh? Now if we go back to the diagram we just saw, we can see that this is the easternmost extension of Chhattisgarh in the Jashpur district, which is 84 degree 24 minutes eastern longitude, and this actually is touching the Jharkhand state. So coming back to the question, what are the options that we have? Option number A is Odisha, B is Jharkhand, C is Andhra Pradesh, and D is none of the above. We just saw the correct answer would be Jharkhand. That is your option number B. Now what is the next question? Which of the following statements are true regarding the Tropic of Cancer line in Chhattisgarh? So first, let us plot the Tropic of Cancer line in Chhattisgarh in a map. So this actually is the map. 23.5 degree northern latitude is known as Tropic of Cancer. And this Tropic of Cancer happens to pass through the Sarguja division of Chhattisgarh, and it passes through Korea, Surajpur and Balrampur districts of Chhattisgarh. This is your Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree northern latitudes, passing through Korea, Surajpur and Balrampur districts of Chhattisgarh. Now let's come back to the question. Now let's assess these statements. The first statement is, it crosses through 7 districts in Chhattisgarh. No, it only crosses through 3 districts. Second, it does not passes through any of the districts in the Bastar division. Yes, it does not pass through any of the districts in the Bastar division. It was only passing through the Sarguja division. Next, it crosses through the Raigad district. No, it does not cross the Raigad district. And the fourth option is, it crosses only through the Sarguja division of Chhattisgarh. Yes, it crosses through only the Sarguja division of Chhattisgarh. That means we have 2 and 4 as the correct statements, while 1 and 3 as the incorrect statements. Now let's understand the question once again. Which of the following statements are true? That means we have to tell which of the statements are true. So we saw statement number 2 and statement number 4 were true. Now the options. First option is 1 and 2 and 4 are true. No, it cannot be. Second option, 2, 3 and 4 are true. No, it also cannot be the right answer. Option number C says true and 4 are correct. Yes, this is your answer. Statement number 2 and statement number 4 are the correct ones. Now we jump on to the next question. Now, once again, we have our question. The question says, which of the following statements related to IST line, Indian Standard Time line in Chhattisgarh, are false? That means with Tropic of Cancer, we saw which of the statements are true. But here we have to see which of the statements are false. Once again, what we'll do is we will plot the IST line in the map of Chhattisgarh. So this IST line enters Chhattisgarh from the Sarguja division and it passes through two districts, Korea, Surajpur. Then it enters Bilaspur division, passes through Korba, Janjgir, Champa, then enters the Raipur division, passes through Baloda Bazar, Mahasamund, and finally through the Gariyaband districts of Chhattisgarh. So what are the names of districts? First we saw Korea. Second we saw Surajpur. Then we saw Korba. Then we saw Janjgir Champa. Then we saw Baloda Bazar. Then we saw Mahasamund. And finally the Gariyaband district. That means it passes through 7 districts of Chhattisgarh. Now let's come back to the question. So we have a first statement which says it passes through 7 districts of Chhattisgarh. Yes, it is right. Second, it passes through Sarguja, Bilaspur, Durg and Raipur divisions. No, because it does not pass through Durg division. Second, it cuts the Tropic of Cancer in Sarguja division. Yes, it does. So which of the statements are false? Only statement number B is false, or I should say statement number 2 is false. So do we have only 2 in our option? Yes, we have. We have option number C which says only 2. So in this question, the correct option would be option number C because it was asking which of these statements is false. Now we have a next question. The next question is rank the divisions of Chhattisgarh as per the decreasing order in area. So the largest division of Chhattisgarh as per area is Bastar. Second largest is Sarguja. In the third rank is Bilaspur. In the fourth place is Raipur division, and finally the smallest division of Chhattisgarh is the Durg division. So what should be the correct sequence? The correct sequence should be Bastar, Sarguja, Bilaspur, Raipur and Durg. So if we look at the option number A, first is Bastar, then we have Bilaspur. No, it cannot be right. If we look at the option number B, first is Bastar, then it's Sarguja, then Bilaspur, then Raipur and then Durg. Yes, this is going to be the correct option because we have already seen the sequence. The sequence is Bastar, Sarguja, Bilaspur, then Raipur and finally the Durg division. So in the next question we have the number of seats in Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly is. Now let me tell you 2 things. First of all, if I talk about the constituencies, that means the number of constituencies in the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly, it was always 90. So number of constituencies were always 90. But if I say the number of seats or the number of members, it was 90 plus 1. Now, what is this 90 plus 1? So, for the 90 constituencies, direct elections were held. And regarding this one, it was actually reserved for Anglo-Indian community according to Article 333 of the Indian Constitution, which actually empowers the governor of the state that he may appoint a member of this Anglo-Indian community as a member of Legislative Assembly. So, the number of constituencies were always 90. However, the number of seats or the members were 90 plus 1. But let me tell you, this reservation, which actually was started in the year 1950, was for the 10 years. And before the end of 10 years, it was always amended, and this process of continuance of this reservation started with that. And this reservation went on and finally it was once again amended in the year 2010, and it was due to expire in the year 2020, but this was not amended this time around and it was left as it is. However, the details you will read in the polity part of your general studies section. But let me tell you, this reservation for Anglo-Indian community has ended, and hence now the number of members in the Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh will be 90. And let me tell you, the last Anglo-Indian member to be nominated in the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly was Bernard Rodriguez in the 4th term of the Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh. So last was Bernard Rodriguez, and I told you 90 seats now and 90 constituencies. Now let's move on to the 10th and the final question of this video. Now, what does the question say? It says, which of the following statements related to the formation of Chhattisgarh are false? That means regarding the formation of Chhattisgarh, we have to look at the statements which are false. So first statement, Chhattisgarh was the 26th state of India. Yes, it was the 26th state of India when formed. Secondly, Chhattisgarh is presently the 10th largest state of India as per area. This is an incorrect statement because at the time of formation, it was although the 10th largest state of India as per area. However, in the year 2019, Jammu and Kashmir, which was actually larger than Chhattisgarh, was divided into two UTs. Or I should say it was reorganized into two UTs. First was Ladakh and second was Jammu and Kashmir. Hence, if we talk about the states in India, Chhattisgarh is now ranked 9th because Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh are UTs now. But if we talk about India entirely, that means if we do not mention the word state, then the present ranking is 10th only. So I will tell you, since it is saying Chhattisgarh is presently the 10th largest state of India, so this statement is false. Now next statement, Madhya Pradesh State Reorganization Bill 2000 received the assent of the President on 25th August 2000. Is this statement correct or incorrect? This statement is correct. Now I'll tell you, आपके मन में तुरंत आ गया होगा that we have read 28th of August 2000. Don't worry, wait for a couple of minutes. I'll show you the proof. Next question. Madhya Pradesh State Reorganization Bill 2000 was presented in Lok Sabha by Shri L.K. Advani. Yes, it was presented in Lok Sabha by Shri L.K. Advani ji. So it was on 25th July 2000 that this bill was presented in Lok Sabha by Shri L.K. Advani, and on 31st of July 2000 this bill was passed from the Lok Sabha. So now let's jump to the proof that you guys are waiting for. I hope you guys can see this is the Gazette of India. I will zoom the part which actually is the important one. Now I hope you guys can see this says Madhya Pradesh Reorganization Act 2000. And just above this it says the following Act of Parliament received the assent of President on 25th of August 2000 and is hereby published for general information. So you have to remember it was 25th of August in the year 2000 according to the Gazette of India. So I hope, coming back to the question, that this query regarding the Madhya Pradesh Reorganization Bill 2000 is clear, that it definitely received the assent of President on 25th of August in the year 2000. So what the question was asking, it was asking about the false statements. So we can see statement number A. A I should rename as 1, B I should rename as 2, C I should rename as 3, and D I should rename as 4. So which of these statements are actually false? So we saw statement number 1 was true, statement number 3 was true, also statement number 4 was true. So only statement number 2 was incorrect. So the correct option would be only 2, that is your option number C. So these were some of the important questions from the section General Introduction of Chhattisgarh. So in the same manner, we'll deal with each and every topic of Chhattisgarh, wherein we'll go into depth, try and understand and analyze the questions, and I'll try and publish all the proofs which are actually necessary for the better understanding of you guys. So I hope you people would have liked my video, and I shall meet you guys in my next video. Tab tak ke liye thank you and take care.
CGPSC की संपूर्ण तैयारी के लिए कंपटीशन कम्युनिटी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डेली अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।